Oirad Scudo 500, 3 holes without metals. Detecting 3 holes with metals.
Survey analysis between no metals and with metals. So we have first hole, second hole, third hole without metals. And then we have first hole, second hole, third hole with metals. And then comparing the two, no metals on the left and then with metals on the right. For no metals, we have first hole, second hole, third hole, and if with metals, we have first hole, second hole, and third hole. So for no metals, first hole, we have less hyperbolic reflections. If with metals, we have multiple hyperbolic reflections. So for no metals, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hyperbolic reflections. If with metals, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hyperbolic reflections. And also take note, for no metals, we have a low contrast. Compared if with metals, we have a higher contrast. Next, second hole for no metals, and then second hole if with metals. So for no metals, on the second hole, we have a lower contrast. Compared if with metals, we have a higher in contrast. So take note of the dark spot. So for no metals, so low contrast, and if with metals, we have a dark spot. And then third hole, no metals. And then third hole, if with metals. So you cannot see or tell the difference, both the same level of contrast for the third holes. So later, I'll show you how to spot the difference using or changing the palette. In some cases, changing palette can provide more clarity than the other. You can choose one palette from any of the 6 available palette in the Oirad app. So just select this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 palettes. So let's say we want to use the first one. Just click this one. So this is the first palette. For the no metals, let's say second palette. The third palette. The fourth palette. Five. And 6 palette. So again, this is for the no metals. So let's try to open the palette for the with metals. Okay, first palette for with metals. Then second palette. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And sixth palette for the 3 holes with metals. Okay, for convenience, I already made screenshots of no metals and with metals. Reviewing the 6 palettes. For no metals, we have the first hole, lesser hyperbolic. With metals, first hole, multiple hyperbolic. And then no metals, second hole, low contrast. With metals, second hole, high contrast. Third hole, between no metals and with metals, no difference. Next, palette number 2, no metals, first hole, less hyperbolic. And then with metals, first hole, multiple hyperbolic. And then second hole, no metals, low contrast. With metals, high contrast. Third hole, between no metals and with metals, no difference. Next, palette number 3, no metals, first hole, less hyperbolic. With metals, multiple hyperbolic. And then second hole, no metals, low contrast. With metals, high contrast. And then third hole, a lesser contrast compared with metals, a little high in contrast. So take note that the dark spot is bigger than the no metals. So this one. And a little darker on this one compared with no metals. Next palette, number 4. So this has been discussed. I'll skip this one. Next, palette number 5, no metals, first hole, lesser hyperbolic. With metals, multiple hyperbolic. And then no metals, second hole, low contrast. With metals, high contrast. Third hole, no metals, a lesser contrast. Compared with metals, a little high in contrast. So take note the size of the dark spot is a bigger if with metals compared to if no metals. And also the dark spot on this is a little darker compared with no metals. Last, palette number 6, no metals, first hole, lesser hyperbolic reflections. With metals, multiple hyperbolic reflections. And then second hole, no metals, low contrast, high contrast with metals. And then no metals with metals, no difference. So we have palette 3 and 5 gives a better contrast. So palette number 3, especially the third hole, give us a better contrast, and the palette number 5 give us a better contrast for the third hole for no metals and with metals. Okay, just to add, so this is the first hole, and on the top left we have 3 small holes of the same size. 1, 2, 3. So this one is the first hole, and we have on the top left the other small holes of same size. We have 1, 2, and 3. So 3 hyperbolas. Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching.